Hi everyone, this video is for NEET 2025 short-term aspirants, crash course aspirants. You know well, crash course na between your board exam and NEET exam, the gap, 40 days gap is called crash course. So what we are going to do in this crash course அப்படின்னா, see, daily you will have teaching classes of 6 hours. In that 6 hours, 2 hours for physics, 2 hours for chemistry, 1 hour for botany, 1 hour for geology. So totally 6 hours of teaching, 4 hours of doubts clarification session for day scholars, 7 to 8 hours of doubts clarification session for hostlers. So this is your day schedule, nearly 10 to 10 hours per day scholars, 13 to 14 hours of including teaching for hostlers. First point. And next coming to என்ன நம்ம 6 hours what we are going to do, எப்படி டீச் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா, see we have well structured material. Say for example, if you take physics class, physics and chemistry, ஒரு chapterలో we are going to give you the list of formulas, a important points revision in the 2 hours. Along with every chapter contains one class assignment of 20 questions. அப்படின்னா every chapter 20 questions, main important questions will be discussed by the particular teacher in the class in the 2 hours of teaching time, and you will be given 35 questions as a home assignment that you can work in the evening working session in front of the senior teachers. Senior teachers will be there to clarify your doubts. So likewise, chemistry, all the chapters, physics, all the chapters. Biology will be exclusively line to line questions of NCERT. So like that, it is well defined and well predefined schedule. Day 1 what we are going to do, day 2 day 2, day 3, likewise you will have nearly 40 days of schedule. So in the 40 days low, 30 days nearly will be teaching come working, and last 10 days will be, you will have exams on the full syllabus. So likewise, it is being planned for crash course. So, and daily you will have one short exam. In a short exam, it is like 15 questions of physics, 15 questions of chemistry, 10 plus 10 questions of biology, or else we can say 20 questions of physics, 20 questions of chemistry, and 30 questions of biology. Means 15 botany, 15 geology, depending on the volume of the chapter. Bigger chapter na 70 questions, small chapters na 60 questions. So likewise, you will have daily exam and paper analysis. This is most important. After the exam, your physics teacher will be coming to the class and he will describe, explain the paper, main points of the questions, 15 or 20 questions. Chemistry sir will be explaining you the paper on the particular day. So likewise, all the 40 days of your valuable time is well planned, and it gives you a lot of confidence to attend the NEET exam. So make utilize of this pattern, and most important thing here is material. We have very limited time, syllabus is very high, and in this limited time, what concepts should be covered? Important model of concepts. So important formulas, important questions, important model of questions. So likewise, will make you to solve nearly 100 questions of physics every day, 100 to 120 questions of chemistry every day, biology 3 to 4 pages of NCERT textbook every day. So this is our plan of crash course. So make utilize of this crash course and take, because we have limited seats, take the advantage. All the very best.